Hello, my name is Rafael, and today I'll be solving the third problem of the recursive homework. Don't be intimidated by this. It's just a program that is meant to solve a problem recursively, meaning it almost boils a problem down into its simplest form, and then hopefully the steps you took to get there will give you a solution of some kind. So the simplest case is also known as the base case, which in the case of the problem here is return 0. And then the steps you take to get there is known as the recursive step, which in this case is to return 1 plus fun1 and then floor divide n by 2, which just means to divide a value by another value, and then the result is the nearest whole number. So today we are solving for print, that just means to display fun1 6, where n is equal to 6. So we can start off labeling that as our very first step. And then since we're barely starting off, that's A. And these letters here correspond. So A means the function here, and then B is the recursive step in the case of this problem. So n is equal to 6. N is not equal to 1. And that's because, well, we start off checking. Is n equal to 1? No, so we can't return 0. So instead, we go with this else case, and we return 1 plus fun1, floor divide n by 2. So we go 1 there, plus, and then 1. And then since we took the recursive step, go ahead and label that as B. And then the result here should give us n equals 3. Again, n is not equal to 1, sorry. So we add 1 again. And then since we took the recursive step again, we label that as B. And then this step here was 2. And this leads us to n equaling 1. Now finally, n is equal to 1. And then if you want to, just for visual clarity, you can just go ahead and say we don't return 0. And that's B. So we can finally go back and add up to the result. So we don't return anything, so then we can just go ahead and cross that out. And then we return this plus 1 value, so we can cross that out. And again here, we add that 1 there, so cross that out. And then given these 2 plus 1s and the previous 0 down there, yeah. This gives us this gives us a final result of 2.